Meanwell has recently launched the compact XLC and XLN series of indoor LED power supplies, available in built-in or independent mechanisms. It offers power ranges of 25 to 60 watt, supports NFC sensing to adjust output current, and has multiple dimming modes such as 3-in-1 and dolly. It combines the Meanwell dolly, 2-panel switch, controller DLC02, COB LED strips and panel lights to provide a one-stop dolly smart lighting solution in the indoor lighting field. Meanwell has also specially launched a dolly smart lighting demo kit. It supports adjusting the output current of XLC via NFC sensing, demonstrating functions such as turning on, off the light, dimming and seen through dolly, 2-panel switches, and displaying the output current and dimming level in real time on the serial port. Next, we will demonstrate the functions of the dolly demo kit. Open the Meanwell app and activate the Power NFC function in the app. Place the NFC antenna of the mobile phone near the NFC sensing position of the power supply and scan it. Modify the output current as needed, such as setting it to 300 mA. Then click Setting and scan again to complete the setup. The kit is connected to AC power, and the output current of the XLC power supply is 301.7 mA. Click button 2 to turn off the light. Click button 1 to set the brightness to 100%. Press and hold button 3, and the brightness will slowly decrease, with a minimum dimming brightness of 0.1%. Press and hold button 3 again, and the brightness will slowly increase. Click buttons 6, 5, and 4 respectively to set 3 brightness scenes, corresponding to 10%, 40%, and 89%. Finally, taking Meanwell office lighting as an example, demonstrate the application of dolly smart lighting. Turn off all lights. Turn on the lights one by one. Turn on all lights simultaneously. Decrease the brightness. Increase the brightness. Set a timed event to automatically turn off all lights at 1800 hours every night. For inquiries about products and application requirements, please contact Meanwell distributors or Meanwell technicians. Also, do not forget to stay tuned for online products and solutions courses on Meanwell Virtual EXPO. Thank you.